Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make a GIF for free. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to canva.com. I will leave a link in the description and click on custom size here. Now here, type the size you want. So for me, I will use 800 by 800. Click on create new design. And now you have to know that each page will be a frame, okay? So let's choose, for example, the first one. I will change its background color and I will add text here. It can be anything, text or image or anything. So I will type, for example, how. Let's add another page. I will change its background color, for example, to this one. I will add two here. Like this. I will add another one. Make. I will change its color to white. And okay, I have an idea like this. And this one will be in the middle. Let's add here anything. I will add a car, for example. Let's say this one. I will change the background color. Let's say to this color. Okay. Now click on pages here and click on duration. Now you have to change the duration of each frame. So I will make this one, for example, 0.2 seconds. Like this. The second one, the same thing. And let's do it for this one. And this one. Now you can play your GIF to see, as you can see. Now let's click on share. Click on download. Go to file type here and make sure you choose GIF. Click on download here. And now you have to wait for a few moments. Now you have to choose the place where you want to save it and give it a name. So I will change this one to just 2. As you can see, save as type GIF image or GIF image. Click on save and let's open it. As you can see, this is our GIF, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.